Two girls in a cup.
I'm gonna have my friends watch Two Girls in a Cup, Two Girls, One Cup video. They haven't seen it yet. It's already 2011. I think they're like the last two people in this world to watch this video, so I'm gonna share this experience with you.
Ah! It's nasty.
Are you watching again?
No, I just replayed. Oh, God. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Is that real?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Like she really took a shit. It was that from her butthole?
What's
It
your
came
thoughts on
out.
it?
Look, it came out.
I just want to see it one more time to make sure it came from the butthole.
Oh my God, are you guys
Who wants ice cream?
No, but that's the
What do you
butthole,
think?
no?
Yeah, no. This is messed up.
No.
Lord have mercy.